Hello, welcome back to our tutorial on hire purchase. This time around, I'm going to go through one work example, and this is taken from Bedok View Secondary School exam paper. Okay, so for question number 3, you can see here the cash price of the coffee machine is $480. The hire purchase price of the same machine is made up of deposit of 25% of the cash price and 24 monthly installments of $22.50. Okay, what is the percentage increase in the hire purchase price as compared to its cash price? Okay, what I'm going to do is just draw a little bit of a way to make you understand what is talking about. Okay, so we have this coffee machine. Let's put here coffee machine, and if you see a coffee machine in the store and you want to buy them, you can either pay the whole amount and bring it home, or you can pay a little amount of it, bring it home, and then every month you keep paying this the same amount. Okay, so that is the two different things. Okay, so if you want to pay by cash, meaning you pay for the whole thing and you're done, no more payments, that will cost you the $480. If you go by the hire purchase HP here, what you're going to do is you have two parts in this payment. The first portion is your deposit. That means you pay a little bit of money to bring it home, and then every month you pay a few more amount of money to finish up paying the balance. Okay, so the second part is the balance in terms of the hire purchase. How much is the coffee machine? It costs $480. Just remember that. And in this case, the deposit is 25% of 480. That's what we need to remember. Okay, 25% of 480. And then the balance is 75% of 480 as well. But this time round, you will pay in monthly installments. Okay, so the percentage price, percentage increase in the hire purchase price. Hire purchase price refers to how much you end up paying if you go by this method. If you choose to pay a deposit and then pay a balance, pay equal amount of every month for every month. Okay, so what you need to know here is he pays an amount of $22.50 for 24 months. Okay, he pays this amount for 24 months, and then it was initially paid 25% on the first day of purchase. So we will count all those to get our hire purchase price. Okay, so let me move this whole thing for a bit. So this thing is here. Okay, so what we want to find out first is how much he pays in total for the 24 months. It will be 24 times by 22.50. Okay, using our calculator, you will get $540. Okay, wow, this amount is really more than the cash price. Okay, and then secondly, we want to find out what is the deposit, which is 25 over 100 times by 480. Essentially, this is 1/4 180, right? Which amounts to $120. Okay, so this is the payment. This is the payment that he or she makes on the first day at the counter. Okay, I pay $120 today, and then I bring it home. Then the rest of my balance, I pay through monthly installment. Okay, of $22.50. So essentially, the hire purchase price is equals to that deposit 120 plus that $540. It amounts to $660. Okay, this is the hire purchase price. The percentage increase in this hire purchase price. Okay, so I'm going to move up this screen for a bit. Okay, so hang on, let me adjust this. This is something that we already understood. Let me just minimize this. Okay, so the increase in price between the hire purchase price and the cash price is equals to 660 minus 480. Okay, so to get the percentage increase, we need to find the difference, we need to find the decrease, then we divide by the original amount, the actual amount, which is 480. So you multiply by 100% here. Okay, so use your calculator again. 660 minus 480 equals to 180. So you divide by 480 equals to, times 100% is equals to 37.5%. Okay, that's a big increase in terms of the price. Okay, so instead of paying $480 in cash, this fella has to pay $660 in total after a period of 2 years. Okay, and the percentage increase is 37.50. Basically, if you buy using the higher purchase price, you pay 37.5% more than the cash price. Okay, so this is one work example on hire purchase. Okay, guys, I will see you in our next video. Thank you.